Hello friends, today I will solve a LeetCode easy problem on strings. It says given a string of lowercase English characters, we need to find the sum of the absolute differences between the ASCII values of adjacent characters. For example, for the string hello, the score is the sum of absolute differences between the character H and E, then E and L, then L and L, then L and O. I am declaring a result variable and initializing it to 0. Then I will run a for loop from the second character and I will add the absolute difference between the ASCII values of the character at index I and the character at index I minus 1. So for I int I equal to 1, I less than the length of the string, I plus plus, result will be absolute of ASCII values of character at index I and ASCII values of character at index I minus 1. I'll return the result. Let's run it for some sample test cases. Sample test cases are running fine. So let's submit it. It's working fine as expected. So time complexity will be theta of n and space complexity will be theta of 1. Thank you.